gas tank. Got some grass in the beard. Their new Dodge. $880 custom. No leaks. Got the interior tore out, but the back looks just as good. We're gonna wire a switch in here. I'll put it on the back side of this thing so that it don't get hit by nothing. And that way, we got a fusible link on a plenty capable switch, so that way nobody can steal the car without having to do a little work. It's always nice. Of course, if they see this video, they'll know how to steal this car. Hopefully they won't be that ugly. Anyway, happy day. This is the project I worked on last night. Woo! Let me give it a little gas real quick, see what it's doing. That's the first time it's running daylight in who knows how long. Yeah. Running great. Oh, I'm excited. Happy day. This will need the gas tank. It'll be like this here soon. It'll run, but it won't hold pressure in the fuel tank because there's a couple of holes. Come to find out. Scrape some grease and stuff off of it, and then out popped the pinhole. Gas leaking out, so I stuffed some more grease and dirt back in it to plug it back up, put a catch can up under, or a tray, so that I can catch whatever falls out. And then as soon as we get a new gas tank, we'll dispose of all of that properly so it don't get into our good drinking water up here on the hill. And get this thing fired up. Love this car. Woo! Old El Camino.